Okay, so now we're going to talk about an issue that occurs a lot when you're doing merges, and that is merge conflicts. So I want you to look at this again. We are, this is the what's in the browser, and this is our HTML file that that is on our machine, and this is all in Git. And as you can see, this is the master branch. So I'm going to go and switch to the developer branch. Let me just make sure Git branch. Right, I'm on master. So I'm going to say Git switch development. So now I'm on development branch. So this should say, and as you can see, this is says different things, right? So now basically sometimes you can have in the real world, say you're working on you guys create feature branches and you're working on it, and then you go to and you merge that with the development branch, or or at some point you merge development branches changes with the master branch. What can happen is you have a merge conflict. Git doesn't know which change to actually make. You know, you're not simply adding on top of the the previous version. You know, there are changes in the original branch, and then there are changes in the branch you're trying to merge, and Git becomes confused. So this is one of those situations where a potential merge conflict can occur. And I'm going to show you how to fix those. So again, we are on the development branch, and we have all this going on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to the master branch. Um, Now that I'm in master, of course, this changes, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and do a regular git merge, which is what we'll do. Git merge development. And there's a conflict. Okay, so when I go back here, now in the code on master, you have these things outlined where your where the conflicts are occurring, right? So this is where the conflicts are occurring. Add amateur fighter to database. This is the head. This is the content that you're adding from development. You know, in this case, I don't want this anymore. So what I'm going to do is go from here to the head and remove it. That, and then I want this gone as well. Because this is what I want our eventual merge to look like, and I want this out as well. Yeah. No, I'm gonna keep that. That's right, feature. Okay. Matter of fact, I'll make that say features. Okay. This is what I want merged onto master. Okay. So now I'll go here and I'll say git status. And as you can see right here, this is both modified. Second. This is modify. So I'm going to say git add. Okay. Git commit -m. And my commit message will be like, I addressed the merge conflict. Addressed the conflict. And Jesus Christ. Not conflict. I addressed the merge conflict and added the list of features. Okay. Commit, git status. Okay. Working branches clean, git log, right? --1 line --graph. And there we have it. So now, as you can see in our log, I addressed the merge conflict. This is the development branch. This is what I mean by graph. This graph shows how all of this was on a development branch, right? Everything started on master. Then it moved, and then we separated, we diverged, and we made our changes here. And now we merge it back to the master, right? And of course, during this merge, there was a merge conflict, and which I addressed those features. So, and of course, every merge doesn't have a merge conflict, right? But this is what the graph looks like when we do a merge from another branch. As you can see right here, hey, where does it say? I know right here, I'm sorry. It says development, okay? This one denotes master. So this is the master branch. This is development branch. If you create other feature branches or whatever, that title will be showing here. And of course, this is the head. So that's how you address merge conflicts. On to the next.